Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we are focusing our attention on some of the challenges HR departments face today. Now, we are going to discuss the benefits of employee referrals. It may be self-evident, but these benefits go well beyond hiring top talent. There are numerous positive business impacts across all departments in your organization. First, we'll start with the benefits to social recruiting and finding talent. Now, since you are most likely familiar with the impacts on recruiting and hiring, I'm going to start there. The hiring landscape has changed, and sourcing for talent is time-consuming, expensive, and doesn't always yield great results. Referrals from employees are usually the best candidates. That's simply because they already know the company and your employees have already talked about your company with their wide network. When the referred candidate comes to the interview, they usually are already 10 steps ahead. And not only that, but referral hires usually stay longer at the company and go through the hiring process much faster, saving time and money for everyone involved. Here are some fun facts. 47% of referral hires have greater job satisfaction and stay longer at companies. Employee voices are 3 times more credible than the CEOs when it comes to talking about working conditions in a company as well. Employee referrals actually have the highest applicant to hire conversion rate. Only 7% of applicants are via employees, but this accounts for 40% of all new hires. Your company probably already has some version of an employee referral process in place, but it's important to know what makes one succeed and grow. And since an employee referral program goes beyond hiring, your program should be a lot more robust. There is no question that employee referrals are incredibly important for hiring and sourcing talent. But with the digital shift and the value employees bring outside their specific job functions, employee referrals are even more powerful than ever. Today, your organization should have an employee referral strategy in place because it truly drives real results. And of course, it helps your recruiting efforts. So the question is, does your organization value employee referrals as they should? Next time, we are going to take a look at Odoo's referral program application to increase organizational engagement. But if you would like to learn more about how Odoo's integrated business solutions work, please get in touch with one of our business analysts who will be more than happy to assess your needs. As always, thank you for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all!